Spaying or neutering your kitten is one of the most significant decisions you will make as a responsible pet owner. This procedure not only prevents unwanted litters but also provides substantial health and behavioral benefits for your kitten. However, choosing the right time for the surgery can be a source of confusion for many pet owners. Understanding the factors involved in this decision can help you make the best choice for your pet's well-being. The general recommendation for spaying or neutering kittens is when they are between 4 and 6 months old. This age range is often referred to as the pre-pubertal period. During this time, kittens have not yet reached sexual maturity, which means the procedure can prevent the onset of hormonal behaviors, such as marking territory or going into heat. Performing the surgery at this stage is also associated with faster recovery times, as younger animals heal more quickly. For some kittens, especially those in shelters or rescue organizations, early spay or neuter procedures may be performed as early as 8 weeks of age. This practice helps ensure that kittens are sterilized before adoption, reducing the risk of overpopulation. Research has shown that early-age spaying and neutering is safe and effective, with no long-term negative effects on growth or health when performed by an experienced veterinarian, if your kitten comes from a specific breed with unique health considerations. The timing of spaying or neutering might vary. For example, some larger breeds may benefit from waiting until they are closer to 1 year old to ensure proper skeletal development. Consulting with your veterinarian about your kitten's breed, size, and overall health will provide a tailored recommendation for the timing of the procedure. The benefits of spaying or neutering extend beyond preventing reproduction. Spayed female kittens are protected from the risk of uterine infections and ovarian or mammary cancers later in life. Neutered male kittens are less likely to develop testicular cancer and are often less prone to roaming, marking, or aggressive behaviors associated with mating instincts. These health and behavioral advantages contribute to a longer and happier life for your pet. The procedure itself is relatively routine, but it requires careful preparation. Before the surgery, your kitten will need a thorough veterinary checkup to ensure they are healthy enough for anesthesia and the procedure. Most veterinarians will recommend fasting your kitten for several hours before surgery to reduce the risk of complications. On the day of the procedure, your kitten will be placed under general anesthesia, and the surgery will be performed by a trained professional. Recovery after spaying or neutering is typically smooth for most kittens, especially if you follow your veterinarian's post-operative care instructions. Your kitten may feel groggy or slightly disoriented immediately after the procedure, but this usually resolves within a day. Limiting their activity for about a week will help ensure the incision heals properly. You may also need to prevent your kitten from licking or biting the incision site, often with the help of an Elizabethan collar, while complications from spaying or neutering are rare. It's important to monitor your kitten closely for signs of infection or discomfort after the procedure. Redness, swelling, or discharge from the incision site, as well as lethargy or a lack of appetite, should be reported to your veterinarian immediately. Prompt attention to any concerns will ensure a smooth recovery and minimize risks. Timing the spay or neuter procedure correctly also has implications for controlling the feline population. With millions of cats ending up in shelters each year, sterilizing your kitten helps reduce the number of homeless cats and prevents the suffering associated with overpopulation. By choosing to spay or neuter your kitten at the right time, you are contributing to a larger effort to improve animal welfare. Ultimately, the decision about when to spay or neuter your kitten should be made in consultation with your veterinarian. Factors such as your kitten's age, breed, health status, and living environment all play a role in determining the best timing for the procedure. Regardless of the specific age chosen, spaying or neutering your kitten is a critical step in ensuring their health, happiness, and longevity. As a pet owner, Taking this proactive approach demonstrates your commitment to responsible pet care and the well-being of your furry companion.